Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Andreas Waatz, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this YouTube tutorial we're gonna learn how you can add your Instagram account link on your YouTube channel art right here. So to do this, just log into your YouTube account and go to your YouTube channel and click on Customize Channel. Alright, go up to the YouTube channel art and click on this edit button. Choose edit links. Alright, then go down to links. So here we have custom links. Then click on add. So now we can add a link title, maximum 30 characters, and then we need a URL. So the URL to your Instagram account, okay? So to get this, we can go to instagram.com. So in my case, my username is Andreas Waatz. Okay, so just go to the account you want to link to. After that, you can see the URL right here. So we're gonna copy this and go back to YouTube and paste it right here, like that. And then we're gonna add a link title. So maybe you can say, follow me on Instagram. Something like that, okay? Then click on add. Click on done. Okay, so now we have follow me on Instagram right here in the about page, but also here in the YouTube channel art. And this will also add the Instagram logo. And if I go and click on my channel, we now see the follow me on Instagram right here. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add a link to your Instagram account on YouTube, to your YouTube channel art, and to your about page. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this was helpful. If you want, you can leave a comment below if this worked or not. You can also subscribe to my channel for more of these videos right here. You can also click on the notification bell to get my updates directly. Alright, and also check out my latest video right here. Just click on this image. And I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.